Looks like SafeMoon, something is happening, and of course it is happening in the reverse direction. But we'll take a look at what's with the dips. When should you buy the dip or should you not buy the dip? This is the question that we are going to explore in this live stream. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and we are, of course, going to take a look at this very important question. And then I'm going to give you three reasons when should you buy the dips, and of course 3 reasons when you should not buy the dips. I was reading this article at a blog. I forgot the name of the blog. Yeah, I'll find out and let you guys know. But yeah, I found it very interesting. So I just summarized it and just made some bullet points. 3 reasons, 3 and 3, right? So we'll take a look at should you buy or should you not buy the dips. So for example, we're looking at SafeMoon here. Okay, so right now it's the dip, right? So yeah, SafeMoon is down at about 1.1. That's the price, but we'll see whether that is something worthwhile or not. So after we go through these reasons, it'll give you solid understanding, and of course then you can make an informed decision as to whether you should buy or you should not buy. Perfect. All right, so welcome to Invest Desk one more time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and of course hit the like button. Certainly appreciate that. Appreciate your support and the bell notification so you get notified every single time. So we are exploring 3 reasons of crypto dips. When should you buy? And then I'm going to give you 3 reasons when you should not buy. All right, so this is SafeMoon, and we're going to take SafeMoon as an example. So right now SafeMoon is at 11925, right? And the reason why, by the way, there's a huge dip in SafeMoon is because a whale sold a little over 2 trillion SafeMoon tokens. There you go, boom. Hey, I mean that's reality, right? So whales sell. No, when whales sell, this is what happens. So this is one of the reasons, the major reasons why we have this huge dip, and of course coupled with the crypto market being down. All right, let's get on with the reasons that I have here, and I'm going to give you first the reasons should you buy the crypto dips, right? In other words, when should you buy? So the first thing is that you should buy the dips when there's an uptrend. All right, so let's talk about it. What do you mean by uptrend? So that means when there's bull market, right? So the stock prices or the crypto token or the coin price is going up, and then during that course there's a little dip. So that's what this means. So you should buy that dip, right? So that's a good idea, good strategy, right? It's a strategy to buy the dip. The number 2 reason when you should buy the crypto dip is buy the dips to enter a crypto network. So if you are a new crypto investor or you want to invest in crypto, then that would be a good time to enter into the crypto market. So for example, right now, if you look at the SafeMoon chart, you'll notice that it is probably at a lowest point since many months, right? Let me show you, in fact. Here's the chart. So you'll see that the strategy here for a new crypto investor or new entrant probably would be maybe a good time, right? That's a good strategy to have, because right now the price is at, let's say, 1.1 or 0.0011, right? So I'm just like shortening it out here. And then if a new investor enters the market or the crypto network right now, probably stands a good chance because it will bounce back up. So short-term gains or even long-term would be appropriate. All right, so that's the second reason. The third reason when you should buy the crypto dips is buy the dip of well-established crypto. That's interesting. So that's a good strategy. You should buy the dips of well-established crypto like Bitcoin, maybe. Yeah, that's a well-established crypto. How about SafeMoon? I don't know, is SafeMoon a well-established crypto? 2.5 million holders, with a couple of $1 billion worth of market cap. I don't know. Tell me in comments. Oh, I gotta set up my comments here. I forgot about my comments. Let me know what you think. What is a well-established crypto? And let me know in comments whether SafeMoon, in your opinion, is a well-established crypto or not. Yeah, that'd be super cool to know. So, if you're new to Invest Desk, by the way, thanks so much for tuning in. Certainly appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification, because Invest Desk is your #1 channel, guys, for cryptocurrency investing. All right, so let me know in comments whether you think SafeMoon is a well-established crypto or not. All right, because that strategy will certainly count. If you think that this particular SafeMoon is a well-established crypto, then you can buy it, right? So that's the idea. So there you go. That's the third strategy. Should you buy the crypto dips? You can buy the dip of well-established crypto. So these are the top 3 reasons, the strategies when you should buy the crypto dips. Next, I'm going to take a look at when you should not buy the crypto dips, right? There we go. Boom, right here. So 3 more reasons when you should not buy the crypto dips. That means it's just a strategy, guys, right? So I'm just talking about the strategy here. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own research that I share. All right, so #1 reason why you should not buy the crypto dips is, #1, buy the dips to average down. You should not. So you should not buy the dips if you are, thinking about averaging the value or the investment down. You should not buy it. Second reason, buy the dips before a crash. You should not buy that. You should not do that. That's not a good strategy, right? So buying the dip before a crash, but how do you know whether it's going to crash or not? Well, if you look at, for example, the SafeMoon chart here, right? And you'll notice that the whale sold. So you knew that right now 2.1 trillion SafeMoon tokens were sold, right, in the last few hours. Plus another 54 billion were sold in the last 4 hours, right? So pretty much another 600 billion in the last 18 hours. So for the last few days, all these whales are selling, right? So that's the SafeMoon statistics, right, about whales. So if you're already aware that, for example, the whales are selling or one of the whales sold, and there may be additional chances that other whales will also follow suit, like in this example right here for the last 3 days, or 2 days rather, or less than a day, by the way, 24 hours, right? Few whales sold massive amounts of SafeMoon. So in that instance, if that's the case, then you should certainly see the chart, and the chart, of course, is going to dip, right? That's what's happening. In fact, that's what happened, right? So it just went whoop, all the way down because the whale sold. So if this is the case, where is our strategy? So the second reason why you should not buy the crypto dips is buy the dip before a crash. You should not, right? So try not to buy it before a crash. If you can research and come up with some tangible data information, then you should avoid it. And of course, finally, the number 3 reason why you should not buy the crypto dips is when you're buying dips of new coins. You should not buy the dips of new coins, because if that dip happens, it's very difficult for that new coin to actually have enough volume to go up. So it's not a good strategy to buy the dip of new coins. There you go, guys. 6 reasons. First 3 when you should buy the crypto dips, and then the next set of 3 reasons or the strategies are when you should not buy the crypto dips. Let me know in comments what you think. what's going on, whether it's a good strategy for you to buy or not buy. Welcome, everybody. Let me get some comments here. Welcome, Asher. Welcome, SafeMoon Diamond. Thanks so much, buddy. Whoop-de-doo. Thanks so much. Third Eye. Otaku Man, thanks so much for tuning in. And of course, this is a good strategies, by the way. So I covered both of these. 3 reasons not to buy, 3 reasons to buy the dips. Let me know what you think. What is a good strategy for you, whether you have done, whether you bought the dip or not. And of course, that's a good idea, right? Or not a good idea. Let me know. All right. So Alex Wright says, good points. Thanks so much, buddy. Thank you for your support. Certainly appreciate that. Just wanted to make sure that we have enough strategy and reasons. So next time when something happens to SafeMoon, for example, or Dogecoin, or any other crypto, we now know what to do, right? Yep, exactly. So right now, SafeMoon is slowly kind of recovering now. It's back at 1137 right after this huge drop, right? All right, so yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. Wanted to keep it short and sweet today because today is like midweek. It's Tuesday, and yeah, Tuesday afternoon. Awesome. I hope everyone is doing fine. Yes, hang in there, guys. The entire crypto industry is under pressure. I've covered this in the yesterday live stream and the day before yesterday about the fight between fiat and crypto, the pressures of the US regulators, and of course the China factor and whatnot. So yeah, I've covered those in the yesterday live streams. If you've not watched those, please go ahead and take a look at those. And today I just wanted to cover the dips, and that's the SafeMoon, right? And remember I talked about the other, when it's a good strategy to buy the dips. So this is what we were referring to. So for example, let me zoom in a little bit. You'll notice these dips, right? When the trend is up, right? So if the trend is going up and there's a dip in between, you see this little red, that's when you can buy it. That's a good strategy to buy it. But if, for example, if it's going down, it's not a good strategy to buy, only if you're a new entrant, right? Or if you want to enter the crypto market, then that would be probably a good way to get into SafeMoon, Dogecoin, or any other crypto. And if it's a new crypto, by the way, then certainly you should avoid buying the dips of a new coin. All right, so yeah, that's all I had. So I wanted to get this out of the way. Let me see if I have some other a couple of more news I want to share before I end, but let me get some comments here. So can you take a look at Saitama Superman? Yeah, I think I got some emails too for this, but yeah, I'll note it down, and definitely I'll take a look at it, and maybe we'll talk about it next time. Alex writes it, SafeMoon keeps going lower. Yes, yeah, lately that's the trend, and because the whales are selling. I think I showed that already. Let me bring this up here. Yeah, here are the SafeMoon whales, by the way. The top 1 to 10, the top 10 to 25, and the number of tokens that they carry. And of course, on the bottom here, you'll see the alerts or section where you'll see what whales and how much they've sold. So 600 billion were sold in the last 18 hours. About 55 billion were sold in the last 6 hours. 54 billion in the last 4 hours, and 2.1 trillion in the last 3 hours. Now this is massive. That's what causing the SafeMoon to go down for the last day or so. And like I said, it just depends on the strategy now. That's why we have should you buy, or when should you not buy, and when should you buy. So for example, if I go to the previous, should you buy the crypto dips? 3 reasons. Let's summarize quickly. Buy the dips when there's an uptrend, you should. Buy the dips to enter a crypto network, you should. Buy the dips of well-established crypto, you should. And then 3 reasons when you should not buy the crypto dips. So buy the dips to average down, should not. Buy the dips before a crash, should not. And buy the dips of new coins, should not. There you go. Hope that answers and clarifies some of these things. All right, guys. So yeah, it was just Tuesday. I wanted to make this quick, short, and sweet. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And of course, hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is some tangible news, research data, so that you can make informed decisions. So we covered 3 reasons of crypto dips when you should buy and 3 reasons when you should not buy. And finally, of course, you have the charts in front of you so you can strategize accordingly. That's all I have. Thanks so much. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. And of course, before you leave, make sure you smash that like button one more time and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thanks so much. My name is Syed and InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecasts.